it's Faye. Welcome back. Yes, we're doing well. We are dandy. Before I show you guys the whole mess of me dyeing my hair, today's video is sponsored by Function of Beauty. My hair has gone through a lot of things on this channel. You've been the first to see. I had to take a breath for that. My hair was bleached really badly by myself at home, going through this whole process of breakage. Why didn't any of you guys tell me that it wasn't cute? For me, my hair really helps with my confidence. That's why for a few years I had glued in extensions for the length and volume, because I took that privilege away from myself and took for granted my natural locks. As you guys can tell, my hair has grown out so much. If you guys haven't heard of Function of Beauty, let me tell you guys, because actual rehab for my hair, I've noticed so much difference already. Function of Beauty actually customizes shampoos and conditioners for your hair type and your hair goals. It's super easy. I did it too. I filled out a 2-minute quiz that asked me about what I wanted out of this, like my hair type, my hair goals, my personal preferences, the color of the shampoo and conditioner, the scent I wanted. There are no parabens, no sulfates, no GMOs, toxins. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. It's so fun because you can actually customize what you want your bottle to say. On my bottle, I requested Baekhyuk because I low-key high-key ship myself with Jungkook together forever, and just that little touch is super fun for me because I get the giggles. So my hair is very straight and fine and oily. A week. I can't do that because I have such oily hair, and dry shampoo doesn't really help because it makes my scalp itchy. I don't like being an itchy witchy. So the goals I wanted my hair to accomplish was definitely anti-frizz because I have a lot of baby hair up here. I wanted length and strength. My hair went through a really tragic time, full regrets. And then with that, of course, I wanted volume. Don't have a lot of hair at all, and it's the saddest thing ever. I like my hair to be big to frame my big face. And then the last hair goal that I personally wanted catered to me was definitely oil control. There's honestly a difference between having shiny hair and then having oily hair. And I customized my shades to be pink and seafoam green. It's so cute together with the scent of peach. So your products do actually come with pumps like this that you can install in. I left this one open just so the idea that you don't have to use a pump is there. I like using the pump, it's just more convenient. And when I'm coated in water molecules, I'm clumsier than normal, so I need a pump. I just really appreciate that there's actually a shampoo conditioner company that will cater towards your needs, because you can pick and choose what you really want to focus on. My hair is my confidence. I don't know if you guys realize, but I used to always wear extensions because I wasn't confident about the length or even how it frames my neck. I'm very conscious about that because all the ingredients are natural. There's just no harm to your hair. In terms of results, I've only been using this for almost a week now, and all I can really tell is the natural bounce I have whenever I curl my hair, and I do have a very natural shine to my hair without the oil. And of course, in this video, you're gonna see me dye my hair. I was really worried about dry tips. It is a little bit tangly, but in terms of healthy moisturized hair, I have that, so that's amazing. So if you want to try Function of Beauty and get a personalized shampoo and conditioner for your hair and your hair goals, make sure to click on the link down below for 20% off your first order. It's now available in the US, Canada, Europe, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, and the UK. Now on to the mess of a video. Hello there! Welcome! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ow. Just stand my knee and do the thing. Okay, can we just calm down? I have my retainers in, so you might hear a lisp. I know you can't really tell because your eyes may not be working that properly today, but I actually have really bad hair right now. I mean, it's not that bad. Girl, it's kind of cute. The whole whoop. I have this reddish, orange, brass, self-depriving hair color going on. It kind of works for fall, but the roots. I feel like it's a separation. I like my head to be in one piece. We need to be as one, that's how we run the world. It is time that we actually cohesively fix this situation. Issue plus situation. Why am I screaming? I'm sorry, my bathroom's really echo-wicky. So welcome to another episode where I dye my hair into dark hair color. How can I possibly mess this up? It's a cool medium brown. Come on. If I mess this up, then I owe you $10. Oh my gosh, so much happened over the weekend this Halloween, and I'm sure you're gonna hear about it on Kenny's channel, but I will be talking about it as well a little bit, my perspective to what I can remember, because I don't really remember much. Just know that some smooches happened here and there, and your girl still got game. I need to burp. Be the good mom. So first we have these 3 concoctions. Super simple. Just put it in like a So now that we poured in the caramel with our condensed milk, we're just gonna cap that real fast. Then we drink it. Shake it off. Shake it off. What? Tell me why the 2 boys I'm dating right now, casually seeing right now, get it right. They're like so into Taylor Swift. Which is fine because they love Taylor Swift. But like, you're 6'5". Listen to some like PC ass or something. Dude, I wish boys can stir up this easily. Sometimes a lot of connections in the brain and the feelings they feel in here don't mix up too well. Connect it all for once. Oh, we need a hair clip through. If you've been watching my hair dye videos, all of those mistakes that happen and I try to cover it up with darker colors, they're all peeking through. It's kind of like when you try to hide your insecurities, but they're like, no, but I'm still here. I'm just gonna clip this part up. Yes, look at my muscles. Look, you see the muscle? We're just gonna stick to the classic insecurity cover-up color. Wanna make sure those things are concealed for another good month or 2. So my roots are pretty dark right now. I'm rolling out to like here. Focus. Oh, that smells. This is the scent of brings of being a bride. I don't have a cape. I need a cape. Cause like, what if? Candy Dandy Meyer bag. I finally fit a grocery bag. Thank you so much. The smell. Oh my lord. Oh, you see? Oh my god. Oh my god. I should put that on my resume. Hey. I can't breathe. Yeah, that's good. Why are these gloves so... See, we're like halfway done because I have no hair. Nada. I just tooted. Sorry. It's so claustrophobic. Does this have bleach in it? Rad. It's so cool. I'm wondering if I should put more on the roots. I just dyed my stomach. Maybe I should go change my hair color. I'm sick of being e-girl. E-girl, don't scream fatty. Oh my god, I feel this staining my contacts. Like, is this even like legal? Oh my god. Wait, did I get it all? Is this how much hair I have? Like, none. This is concerning. Are you telling me I'm almost done with hair? Jeez, you're telling me that this big head does not obtain that much hair follicles? That just makes me feel so not included. So what does this head actually occupy if not hair? Ugh, like a few just slice me right across the eyeball. Should I put more? Ooh, she a long one. Do you see the work I did? If anyone's looking for a hairstylist to dye my hair at home, I will find to you. Like, I'm one of those. I will come to you. The material I use, V high quality. And let's try not to go bald. Oh yeah, that's satisfying. My boob just caught that. Big Titty Pros. Oh my god, my boob caught that too! Imagine if that was a sport. Drop it like it's hot. The titty is a thigh. I don't know what I say. Oh my god, don't I look like a Chinese spider? I'm here to destroy all. I'm crying. How dare you take my father's land? Fight me. This is so embarrassing. How? Oh no, the titty didn't catch that one. Ugh. Oh my god, I can't breathe. I think that's good. Oh my gosh, try not to get it on me. What? So this is the last section. They call it the crown. Yeah, that's what we call it in the hair studio industry. Can't see. See, so good. Oh my god, easy peasy lemon squeezy. This satisfaction. Delicious. eat. I don't want to eat. Oh, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. You know, this really makes me appreciate fresh oxygen. Oh my god, my nostrils. It only really matters about like the top of your head anyways, because that's what people are gonna see with their two naked eyes. Making sure that only the superficial looks amazing, because life is about the fumes just come and bonding. This better dye my hair because it definitely dyed my chest and I didn't ask for that, so the least it could do is dye the correct part. The issue was like the division back here, so I'm just gonna make sure I spread out well. I have quite a lot of hair dye left, and I don't know how I feel about that. And to be honest, that's one of my hair goals, is to like have longer, thicker hair. So I'm really excited for my Function of Beauty journey. If you just start seeing my hair looking more long and voluptuous, I think you know why. Measure twice, cut once. Don't measure once and cut twice. Like, hey, you're not doing your job at all. I literally dyed my chest. You are now initiated as part of the Dark Force. Become in chaos. The map says to wait for 25 minutes. Like so cute. So now I'm just gonna wait for 25 minutes and then I'm gonna jump into the shuru. I'll be back. I cleaned up well and fresh in the shuru. And I look like a fetus now because I don't have eyebrows no more. Ready for the reveal? I am. I'm so excited. I have to rub it. See? Nothing torturous. Guys, literally looks the same. Well, here are the final results to my hair. Nothing drastic, as you guys can tell. I'm not complaining though because I like it. I am obsessed with my hair. Just love it. You can still kind of tell the brown red that's still there maybe. I don't know. But you know what? That doesn't matter because honestly, my hair just looks more cohesive and it just looks so healthy. I cannot deal. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching me dye my hair. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to subscribe and until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.